Introducing the Mingnuo E810FB electric sweeper. With its high efficiency, flexible operation, and low noise, it effortlessly handles both large areas and narrow spaces. No matter if it's fine dust, sand, leaves, or large debris, the E810FB cleans quickly and thoroughly. With a large filtration system and a high-pressure axial flow fan, it ensures excellent dust absorption. Its dual-door design with fixed mechanism allows you to adjust for different weather conditions. Stay cool in summer and warm in winter. Equipped with a 48-volt 150 lithium battery, it offers for 6 hours of continuous cleaning without frequent recharging. The 200L large-capacity water tank supports extended spraying operations. The high-pressure washing function makes cleaning stubborn stains a breeze, doubling your efficiency. Its flexible steering system allows it to turn effortlessly in tight spaces, making it ideal for various complex environments. Transform your cleaning routine with the Mingnuo E810FB electric sweeper. Contact us to order now and experience the perfect combination of cleanliness and efficiency.